mobilize. We mobilize the biggest number of migrant workers in direct actions to confront major issues. We've had that in many instances in Hong Kong. We have mass actions. It actually take different forms. We have big mass actions. We have symbolic mass actions. And we have major mass actions, meaning it actually concerns different sectors and also the involvement of not only one group but many groups. We also use mass actions to teach the grassroots the importance of fighting for our rights. In mass actions, the anti-people and anti-migrant policies and the character of the state are further exposed. Aside from the AOF, we also try to gather the support of advocates for the rights of migrants, including the supporters from the academe, NGOs, local organizations, lawyers, and other professionals like doctors. This is also brought about by the objective condition of the migrant workers, where we have limited resources, we have very limited access to different types of professional services. So we need all this kind of support. Strengthening the links with progressive organizations from different sectors in our respective countries. This is very important because without this linkage, we cannot achieve the dream of every migrant worker, which is to go back to our country where we can have a decent life, there is peace, there is social justice, where we will not be forced to go abroad just to make a living. So we have to get involved in the issues in our countries concerning the different sectors. Anyway, before we become migrant workers, we used to be part of all these sectors. We used to be workers, peasants, teachers, nurses, and so on. We have to enhance solidarity with people's organization in a country of employment, like here in Hong Kong, as well as overseas. Here in Hong Kong, we are very active and involved in multilateral formations like the HKPA. We are also part of a global alliance of anti-imperialist organization, the International League of People's Struggles. And earlier, Annie also mentioned about the formation of the first global alliance of grassroots migrants, the International Migrants Alliance. We also